Want to replace the impeller of your tumble dryer? With these steps, you'll have that fixed in no time. What do you need? Pliers, water pump pliers, a socket wrench, a screwdriver, and a new impeller. Step 1. Remove the top and front panel. The impeller is at the bottom inside the tumble dryer on the motor shaft. The top must be detached from the tumble dryer first. Turn the dryer over and loosen the screws on the top panel. Can you remove the entire side panel without removing the front panels? Then proceed to step 2. If not, disconnect the module now and disconnect the cable. Then you can loosen and remove the door. After this, you can loosen all the screws on the front panel and remove the front panel. Step 2. Remove the old impeller. Loosen the side panel on the motor side. If your fan wheel is not fixed externally but internally, this means you need to take out the motor and then you can loosen the impeller. Remove the backing that sits over the impeller housing. Detach the belts from the motor and the tension spring if necessary. Now you can use water pump pliers to clamp the shaft of the motor and then loosen the fan wheel with a socket spanner. Step 3. Place the new impeller in. Insert the new fan wheel. Screw the new fan wheel tight with a socket spanner. Then place back the back cover. Reinstall the belts over the shafts of the motor, making sure the belt runs properly over the tensioner roller. Finally, attach the tension spring and reattach the side panel by tightening the screws. Step 4. Put the case back in place. Replace the housing. Reattach the front panel, door, module and top panel by tightening the screws. You have replaced an impeller and the tumble dryer is ready for use again.